Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson, I will show you how to change hue and saturation in Photoshop. So, in this adjustments panel, we will select this hue saturation and click here. You can also click here and select the hue saturation from here. That will do the same. So basically, hue means color. When you change this slider, then you can see all the colors of your image are changing. Sometimes you can create a good color effects using this option, and is changing the colors randomly. But if you want to change any specific color to a different color, then we will use the replace color command, and we will see it in the next lesson. And you can also change any specific color using this hue saturation option, but I think the replace color command is preferable in this case. And when you change the saturation, you can see it's the intensity of that hue. So when you drag it to the left, then you see a black and white image, and when you drag it to the right, it will increase the intensity of that color or that hue. You can also change the lightness like this. Let's set it to 0. You can also use any preset from here if you like. So that's the before and after. And if you don't want to apply it to the entire image, then you can also apply a layer mask to this kind of adjustment layers as well. And using the black color, you can paint those areas that you don't want to apply that effect, like this. And one more option here is the colorize. So if I select the colorize, then you can see all the colors of this image are converted to a specific color. And if you change the hue and also the saturation, then you can see it's only changing that particular color. So in this kind of images, I think this colorize isn't that helpful, but let's see it on a different image. Here this image has only a very small amount of colors. So if I change the hue, then you can see it's only affecting those colors. But if I use the colorize option, then you can see so that's before and after. So this colorize option is very helpful to this kind of images where the image contains very small amount of colors. So that's all for this lesson. If you like this video, then you can share it and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And in the next lesson, we will see how to replace any specific color to a different color. See you in that lesson. Thanks for watching.